Once your account is created, verified, 2FA enabled, and has a sufficient spot balance, you will be able to trade your crypto. Begin by logging into your Binance account. On the home page, click on Wallet, then select Fiat and Spot. Navigate to the Fiat and Spot page. Use the search bar to find the cryptocurrency you wish to trade. We'll use Bitcoin for this example. Click on Trade next to the cryptocurrency. Choose the coin you will trade against. In this example, we'll use USDT, Tether. You will be redirected to the trading interface. On the trading page, locate the section where you can enter the price at which you want to place the order. In this example, the current market price of Bitcoin is $26,259. We'll set a limit order to buy at $26,255.99. Enter the total amount of USDT you wish to trade, then click on Buy BTC. A notification or a window at the bottom of the page will confirm that your order has been placed. Feel free to refresh the page periodically to check the status of your order. If your order no longer appears in the Open Orders section, congratulations, it has been executed. To review the details of the trade, navigate to the Trade History tab. The cryptocurrency you've purchased will appear in your wallet, accessible via the Fiat and Spot page.